This is Gerald Harris with houseflippingguy.com, common sense answers for new real estate investors. And this coming Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be doing a live training, how to invest in real estate with little to no money. How to invest in real estate with little or no money. I'm going to be talking about different niches that you all can focus on. Oftentimes people think that it takes a loan or to borrow some money to go ahead and get started in real estate. You do not need those things. What you need is a passion and a desire. I'm going to be talking about different niches to go ahead and focus on, different websites where you can go ahead and do research on different properties to determine value. I'm going to be talking about some free websites that I'm going to be giving away that will not just tell you certain things, but it will break down the properties for you, right? Be talking about things like some of the techniques that you all can go ahead and implement today. That's right, the same day. Okay, so if you all are interested in the live training, I'm going to have a link in the description. As you all have attended my live trainings in the past, they have been, let's say they've been very attractive, right? But as long as you're implementing the information, it works. It works if you work it, okay? Once again, my name is Gerald. Link is going to be in the description. I'll see you guys this coming Wednesday, okay? You guys have a good one. Take care.